I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the clip so the change will read as real. You need a well-exposed daytime shot and an editable codec. Once imported, make a backup and set a correct color profile. Now isolate the sky and key subject using masks or rotoscoping so adjustments won't affect silhouettes. Use a timeline layer structure: base clip, sky replacement, color grade, and light wraps. This initial organization saves time when you refine shadows and hues in the next steps. Once your layers are ready, simulate the night by reducing exposure and compressing highlights while preserving midtones to keep detail. Then shift color temperature cooler and push shadows toward blue and teal with split toning. This sells the cold ambient feel. Paint in localized light sources, streetlights or windows, using additive blend modes and soft masks, and create light wraps to integrate edges. Finally, add a subtle bloom and grain tuned for low light. These steps collectively convert the scene convincingly to night. To finish, refine shadows and highlights so every object obeys the new light sources. Use ambient occlusion passes and gentle vignettes to focus attention. Blend color grades with low-frequency luminance masks to avoid banding, and add night ambience audio to sell the change. If something looks off, troubleshoot methodically. Inspect masks for spill, verify color balance across layers, and reset exposure blends. Make incremental tweaks and compare before after to confirm the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.